Crafting a delightful and nutritious smoothie can be a refreshing way to enjoy a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins, especially for those managing diabetes. Smoothies, when made thoughtfully, can be a great addition to a diabetic diet, offering a blend of beneficial nutrients without spiking blood sugar levels. Here's a rundown of the top 10 best smoothies for diabetics, incorporating findings from various studies to showcase their health benefits. So, let's dive into the world of delicious and diabetic-friendly smoothies, exploring options that are not only great for managing blood sugar levels, but are also bursting with flavor and nutrients. Starting our list is the green apple spinach smoothie. Green apples are lower on the glycemic index compared to other varieties, making them a great choice for managing blood sugar levels. Spinach, a non-starchy vegetable, adds fiber, iron, and magnesium without adding significant carbohydrates. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition highlights the importance of dietary fiber in managing type 2 diabetes, noting its role in lowering blood glucose levels. By blending green apples with spinach, a touch of avocado for healthy fats, and unsweetened almond milk, you create a nutrient-dense smoothie that's both refreshing and stabilizing for blood sugar levels. Next up is the blueberry and chia seed smoothie. Blueberries, celebrated for their antioxidant properties, have been studied for their potential to improve insulin sensitivity. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that incorporating blueberries into the diet could have beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity in obese, insulin-resistant participants. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them an excellent addition to a diabetic diet. They can help in managing blood sugar levels by providing a steady release of energy. This smoothie, made with unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach for extra nutrients, and a teaspoon of cinnamon for flavor and its blood sugar regulating properties, is a powerhouse of health benefits. The strawberry and Greek yogurt smoothie takes the third spot. Strawberries have a low glycemic index and are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and is a great source of protein, which is essential for blood sugar management. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, a higher intake of yogurt is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. This smoothie, with its combination of strawberries, Greek yogurt, a dash of vanilla extract, and ice, offers a balance of sweetness and tartness, along with a host of nutrients. Fourth on our list is the peanut butter and banana smoothie. While bananas are often questioned in a diabetic diet, using a small ripe banana can offer the necessary sweetness without a significant spike in blood sugar. Peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, which can help slow down the absorption of sugars. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that consuming peanut butter could lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, likely due to its beneficial effects on blood sugar and insulin levels. Combined with unsweetened almond milk and a scoop of whey protein powder, this smoothie is a satisfying and energy-boosting option. Fifth is the avocado and spinach smoothie. Avocados are a source of healthy fats known to improve insulin sensitivity. Spinach adds a wealth of nutrients without contributing excess sugar. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that the monounsaturated fatty acids in avocados can improve lipid profiles in individuals with diabetes. This smoothie, blended with a bit of cucumber for hydration and lemon juice for a tangy twist, is not only nutritious, but also incredibly refreshing. The sixth spot goes to the cucumber and mint smoothie. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and high in hydration, making them ideal for a diabetic-friendly smoothie. Mint adds a fresh flavor and has been linked to improved digestion. A study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition suggests that the phenolic compounds and antioxidants in mint may have beneficial effects on insulin resistance. This light and refreshing smoothie, made with a touch of ginger for its anti-inflammatory properties and a squeeze of lime for some zest, is perfect for a hot day or a morning refresh. Seventh is the turmeric and mango smoothie. Turmeric, a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties, has been studied for its potential in managing diabetes. A review in the Journal of Diabetes Research highlighted turmeric's role in improving insulin sensitivity. Mangoes, when used in moderation, provide natural sweetness and are a good source of vitamins and fiber. This smoothie, combining turmeric with mango, unsweetened coconut milk, and a tablespoon of flaxseed for omega-3s and fiber, is both exotic and healthful. 8th on our list is the beetroot and berry smoothie. Beetroot has been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Berries add antioxidants and fiber. A study in the Hypertension Journal found that consuming beetroot juice could lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, a common condition among those with diabetes. This smoothie, blending beetroot with mixed berries, unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of kale for added nutrients, is not only vibrant in color, but also in health benefits. 9th is the carrot and ginger smoothie. Carrots, with their low glycemic index, provide sweetness and a host of nutrients like vitamin A and potassium. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, has been studied for its effects on blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Ethnic Foods found that ginger might help in managing blood sugar levels. This smoothie, made with carrots, a slice of ginger, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of vanilla protein powder, offers a spicy kick and a wealth of benefits. Rounding off our list at the 10th spot is the pumpkin spice smoothie. Pumpkin is low in calories and rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves not only add flavor, but also have properties that can help manage blood sugar levels. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that cinnamon, in particular, can help lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This smoothie, combining pumpkin puree, unsweetened almond milk, a blend of spices, and a teaspoon of almond butter for smoothness and healthy fats, is a delicious way to enjoy the flavors of fall while keeping health in check. Incorporating these smoothies into a diabetic diet can offer a tasty and nutritious way to enjoy a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and proteins while managing blood sugar levels. Each smoothie combines ingredients with specific health benefits, from improving insulin sensitivity to providing essential nutrients without spiking blood sugar levels. It's important to remember that while these smoothies can be part of a healthy diet, individual responses to foods can vary. Monitoring blood sugar levels and consulting with a healthcare provider or a dietitian can help tailor dietary choices to individual needs and health goals. In conclusion, smoothies can be a delightful and healthful addition to a diabetic diet, offering a convenient way to consume a variety of nutrients. By choosing ingredients wisely and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, individuals with diabetes can enjoy these delicious drinks without worry. The combination of scientific research and careful ingredient selection makes each of these smoothies not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a boon for health. Whether you're looking for a refreshing beverage on a warm day or a nutritious snack to boost your energy, these top 10 best smoothies for diabetics are sure to please.